We're making a 2-gallon batch of Sage Honey Mead. The final mix is 6 pounds of sage honey and approximately 1.5 gallons of water. We're shooting for an OG of around 1120, 1125. The pre-must water is about 7.08 pH. We're using Lutra Kveik yeast, and it's known for its clean fermentation, high temperature tolerance, and extremely fast fermentation. So this is sage honey, raw sage honey from Oregon. I think it's white sage from Flying Bee Ranch. 6 pounds, 2.7 kilograms. And stick that whip up for a second. Jeff is just whipping it with the wine whip, getting it all blended together. Okay, we're gonna do a rough pH right now. The water was, 7.08. So we'll see what this is. We're using the new Milwaukee MW 102 Pro pH plus temp meter. And we got 3.60. 3.60. Let me get the Anton par ready, okay? And let's do a gravity. We're going to put a little bit more in the smart ref. And we're going to restart. 1125, there we go. Perfect, exactly where we want it. 1126, perfect. So we have a pH of 7.08. We're going to do another pH. What's the temperature? We have a 1126 OG. We'll do another pH. .70. We're just doing some Go Ferm, and you all could see the video. I'll put a link in the description. All right, so we're gonna do a slurry with the Lutra. First, we're gonna do the Go Ferm. This should be 6.5.
Yeah, should be 6.4. I think.
Yeah.
Originally calculated.
Yeah, put 6.4 in. Mixing up the Go Ferm. It's going to be a little clumpy. Don't worry about that. Just get as much as you can. We're going to let this sit for a little bit. And then we're going to add in the yeast and pitch. So we've used Go Ferm, and we're using Lutra Kveik, Lutra yeast. And we want our Go Ferm Lutra slurry to be within 18 degrees Fahrenheit of the must. And the slurry is the Lutra slurry, the Go Ferm Lutra slurry is about 96. And the must is, we'll let you know what the must is. It's not on. There we go. The must is 99. We need it to go down to 90 or under for the yeast. It's Kveik, so we're going to ferment it warm. All right, so the Sage Honey Mead, we'll do a quick pH on. On day 7, $3.55, $3.54. We approximately have 12.3% ABV and about 3.55 pH.